In front of me is OnePlus Pad 2 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. Begin by opening Play Store and downloading any app you wish to set up as your new default one. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your app is ready, you can exit Play Store and go into Devices Settings. In them, scroll all the way down, select Apps over here, and click on Default Apps to access all of those options. Click on the chosen one, in my case, Browser app. Tap on an app you wish to apply as your new default one. And when you finished, go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!